Today I'm making another classic and nostalgic recipe, smothered chicken. It's sure to bring back fond memories of days gone by. If you want to make this classic dish in your very own kitchen, sit back, relax, and I'll show you how to make it. Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making smothered chicken. You will need 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 onion, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and canola oil for frying. In a small bowl, combine your salt, pepper, and paprika. Add your seasoned salt, onion powder, and garlic powder, then mix until well combined. Make sure your chicken thighs have been thoroughly cleaned and dried. Then season with half of your seasoning mixture. If you like this recipe, along with all of my other recipes, please download my Soul Food Cooking app. To get the app, I have provided a link in the description below. In a shallow dish, place your all-purpose flour. Now add the other half of your seasoning mixture, then mix until well combined. Dredge your chicken thighs in the flour, then place on a wire rack. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your oil. Now fry your thighs for 10 minutes. Remove your chicken from the pan and place it aside. Remove most of the oil from your pan, leaving about 3 tablespoons behind, then sauté your onions for 3 minutes. Sprinkle in your flour, then mix until your flour is a golden brown color. Now pour in your chicken broth and mix well. Bring your gravy to a light simmer, then return your chicken to the pan. Cover and allow it to cook for 15 minutes, basting occasionally. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.